Okay, this is a little demo of my new game called Quick Clicks. This is Dastrn, by the way. Um, Here, I'll show you the basic idea. Okay, this is the control color here, this top color. Um, these buttons are going to be shifting every once in a while between different colors. And I need to click on this yellow color and it goes away. So you can see that when I click on the yellow, it disappears. The bomb is a power-up. If I click on the bomb, it blows everything up in like a plus shape around it, so above and below, not diagonals, but all around it. You can see, let me see if I get a yellow here. If you watch down here on this bar, if I click on the yellow, see how it jumped ahead. So if you misclick, I can make it jump a lot there. So there we go. Gives me a score. Don't worry about the score for now. This over here is the level select area. Right now I'm just using colors and I just kind of remember what's what. Eventually I'll have a graphic here for level 1, level 2, 3, 4, down to 20, and then you click over here and it shows you, 21 through 40. And you can make as many pages, I can make as many pages as I want here. That's all scalable. I could do, in 15 seconds I could make that 100 instead of 40 or whatever. Shows you what level you're on up here. So here, let's go up to level 4, and then you can see it turns red when you complete a level. So we're going to do level 4 here. I click on it. Right now, of course, there's no visual. I just know, oh, well, it changes up here. It tells me level 4, 5, 6, whatever. I'll do 4. So you can see the grid's a little bit bigger here. It's going to move a little bit faster. Oh, there's another power up, the white clock. I'll wait till I see it. When you click on the clock, it slows your interval down. You see the word slow pops up here, and see everything's moving a little bit slower here. And then it picks back up the pace. So it's only 20 or 30% slow right now. That's scalable as well. I can decide whatever number I want for that. Okay, complete level 4. You're going to see over here now level 4 is red. Let's do one down here. That's going to be level 16. This should go a lot faster. There's more colors. So as it gets harder, as you get higher up in levels, there's more and more colors. The red star makes things go faster. So it's like a debuff. So you can see that kind of picked up the pace a little bit for 5 clicks, and then it's going to go right back to normal pace. So you're trying to avoid the star. There we go. Finish that, and now you can see level 16, of course, has turned red. Now I put in my username back here. This is like a login screen. So you can see I put my username as Patrick in there. Let's make it say Dastrn instead. I was using this one earlier. It's a little bit different. Wait, no, that might have been safe. I might have a little glitch here. It's alright. Oh, you know what? Here, let's do this. Let's load a new one. Whoops. Okay, sorry, everything's a little bit slow with there we go. Okay, you can see on this login with the name Dastrn, level 16 is not done yet. I'll do 15 and then we'll try it out. So on this level the clock is turned off, so you don't have the slow effect to help you out, but you do have the star to speed things up, and that's not good. Alright, so here I've completed that level. Now the tricky thing is if I log in, if I switch from Dastrn to Patrick, is it going to update? Yes, he doesn't have that update yet. Let me see, I think this one will go back to blue once I complete another level here. Let's see, sorry, just a second. There we go. Okay, a little glitch, that's alright, I can work on that. I've been playing with this function all day, this save function. Here, if I close it and I open another one. Sorry, I just realized that last window might not have been perfectly spaced on the screen. There we go, see, that fixed it. That should be right about the window size. Okay. Yeah, that fixed it. So I'll play with that and figure out how to get that interface looking the way it ought to again. Because I've noticed that if I click X and go back to log in as somebody else, it doesn't update these the right way. So anyways, that's the basic idea of the game. There's the 3 buffs: is the clock, the bomb, and the star to slow things down. There's one more feature I want to show you, is the moving buttons. Now this feature is very much in alpha right now, and you'll see why. It's a big mess. The buttons all shift around randomly. They pick a different direction to run in. What I'd like to do is add collision detection to this so that it doesn't let them overlap. You can see how fast it gets if you click on the star by mistake at a higher level. Alright, slow down here. Oh, there goes the star. Crap. It's very easy to lose. at these high levels. There we go, 77. And level 35 over here is now completed. So yeah, I think that moving buttons feature is a fun one, but I'd like to make it have collision detection so they won't overlap each other, they bounce off. So if it tries to go in the direction of another button and it runs into one, then it will not move anywhere, or else pick a different direction or something. Probably just not move is better. There we go. Okay. So anyways, that's the moving button feature, which I think would be fun. It's already set to there's this box around here. They're never going to leave the boundaries of that box. For a while when I first started, they just run off through that box and disappear, and it would be invisible up here and you couldn't find it anywhere. And then so I've got it to bounce off of that box now. So that's quick clicks. It's still very early. Obviously there's no graphics other than these quick little clip arts I found and threw together in GIMP. So you can see that one's even got some white in there already. I don't know if you can see that on your video, but the black is not very well defined on that. So that's the basic idea. Here I'll show you the classic version. This is where it all started. Much smaller buttons. There was no power-ups. So this was. I'm going to leave this in as the classic version, just for fun. I do have a couple of new versions in the works. I want to complete this challenge version is the main game here. I want to complete challenge version before I start working on the other two, which is combo and memory. The basic idea of okay, there we go. So this one, it just keeps your score. So you only play one level and it saves you a score list. You see combo memory under coming soon here. Combo mode, all the buttons are gonna have numbers on them. You have to click them in order, and when you click a number, it's gonna lock that button in on that number. So you're trying to complete them all in order. Memory mode is gonna be pretty cool. Let's find one that doesn't move. They're just gonna flash with numbers real quickly and then disappear, and you have to remember where the numbers are and click them. So if this was a 1, 2, and a 3, you have to remember in that half second you'll memorize where all they are, and then you'll click 1, 2, 3 to complete that level. And it might get all the way up to like maybe 8 numbers that you have to memorize all in half a second in their position. Maybe I could use colors instead of numbers, or maybe up here will tell you the order that you want to click them in. So maybe it'll be blue, yellow, purple. So they'll all be muddied except for one blue, one yellow, and one purple, and you have to find those and remember where they are and click them in the order listed up here. So that's my plan for memory mode. So anyways, that's quick clicks. If you have any questions, post in the thread here on Smashboards, or leave me comments. I'll probably put this up on YouTube, so you can leave me comments on YouTube as well. Any suggestions for features? I'll be glad to hear your ideas, as long as you're okay with me using them without paying you. I'm not going to make any money off this game, I'm sure, but if I did, I'm not going to pay you for your ideas. So anyways, leave me comments, let me know. Thanks.